Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to connect two contrasting ideas using the words although, but, even though, in spite of, despite. These words are used to link two contrasting ideas or show that one fact makes the other fact surprising. They can appear at the beginning or in the middle of the sentence. The principal difference between although, even though, in spite of and despite is that they are used with different structures. After in spite of and despite we use a noun or a gerund, the ing form of a verb, or a pronoun. For example, in spite of the limitations of access to the area, we nevertheless succeeded in reaching the summit of the mountain. Despite feeling nervous, I had an exhilarating experience on the roller coaster. She never managed to save any money, in spite of her large salary. The bus connection was delayed. However, despite the delay, I still managed to arrive in time for the meeting. After although and even though, we use a subject and a verb. Even though is slightly stronger and more emphatic than although. For example, although the training was tough, I managed to pass the physical test and will join the army in 2 weeks' time. We had a marvellous time at the hotel, although the holiday was far too short. Even though he was hard of hearing, he managed to follow most of the conversation. They didn't accept my offer for the boat, even though I'd actually offered double the price. Sometimes, especially in spoken English, we can substitute the word though for although. It can even go to the end of a sentence. For example, the symphony was very long and boring. They did play a lovely overture at the beginning of the concert though. Let's now try a quiz. Choose the most appropriate word or phrase to complete these sentences using although, despite, in spite of. Number 1. The answer is, although we are a relatively small legal firm, we deal with almost 100 clients a month. Number 2. The answer is, in spite of being a relatively small legal firm, we deal with almost 100 clients a month. Number 3. The answer is, despite all the difficulties they faced, the merger was completed on time and was a success. Number 4. The answer is, although they were warned against doing so, they went ahead with the merger. Number 5. The answer is, in spite of her lack of experience, she became a world-famous vlogger. Number 6. The answer is, despite being a recluse, he regularly chats with his family on FaceTime. Number 7. The answer is, in spite of the fact that he is a recluse, he regularly chats with his family on FaceTime. Number 8. The answer is, although it was bitterly cold, we enjoyed the holiday tremendously. Number 9. The answer is, despite working in the school for 3 months now, he never seems to know what to do. Number 10. The answer is, in spite of the dismal weather, they went on a hike into the hills. Number 11. The answer is, despite his high temperature, Stephen went to school because he had an important exam. Number 12. The answer is, although he was very busy, my father managed to fix our heating system. Number 13. The answer is, I am not going to eat a big lunch, despite the fact that I am starving. Number 14. The answer is, my teacher is never pleased with my marks, although I always get nothing less than a B. Number 15. The answer is, we decided to go on holiday despite all the financial hardships we are experiencing. Number 16. The answer is, in spite of the incessant showers and the thunderstorm, he managed to get to the wedding on time.
Thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it and found it useful. Don't forget to pass it on, place a like, and turn on your notifications.